Can you feel that?
Hey guys, welcome back to a new floor work tutorial. What we're doing today is a short choreography, but it's super easy to learn. I'll walk you through it step by step so you don't need to worry. We're gonna do it in real time so you can just press play and then go along with me. Please, before you start, make sure that you warm up because it is hard, even though we make it look easy, but this is a real workout, and please make sure that your muscles, everything, and especially your legs are warmed up properly. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get straight into the tutorial. So we start in this position. Make sure that you face the same way so you can do it with me at the same time. So we start here. We bring the left leg straight out to the side and then bring it around, bend the leg, go onto the knee, turn around. So now we are here in this position. We push into the ground with our hands. I like to come up on my fingertips because I think it's easier. I push up, bring my hips up, right leg comes up, and now I straighten the leg. From here, we go onto the left side of our hips and bring the right leg down, bring it over to the other side in a circle like this. Bring both hips up and slide both legs underneath your bum like this. Left leg goes to the right, straighten the leg, and now we bring it over to the other side and the right leg opens like this. And here we are in a V position. So from the start, I think I need a little bit more space to the side. So we start in this position, left leg straight out like that. Swing it around along the ground onto your knees. Turn around, and from here, straighten your right leg onto the left side of the hips, and from the left side over to the right. And from here, bend both legs, bring up the hips, slide the legs through, and the left leg comes around straight. You open it, and now the right leg follows. Straighten it, and go into a V position. From here, bring the left leg down to the ground, bring the right leg over, still straight, turn around onto your hips, and from here, bend the leg. So what I do when I come around is from the right leg being straight, you turn onto your hips, and while you turn around onto your hips, then you bend your leg like this. And from here, push into the ground and come back. And now you land on your knees, and that's it. I hope you were able to follow so far. We're gonna do it a little bit faster and go through it a couple more times until we get into a flow. Feedback is always welcome. If I go through the choreography too fast or too slow, then please leave a comment down below so I get some real feedback from you if I need to improve something in how I teach. Okay, let's do it again. Starting position. Left leg to the side, the leg comes around onto the knees, turn around, and right leg straight up to the ceiling, and hips down to the ground, slide the leg around through the hips, and left leg over to the other side, straighten both legs, V position, left leg to the ground, turn around onto your belly, bend the leg, and from here, push back until you sit on your knees. Let's talk about common mistakes that I see a lot that you should avoid. Number one, flexing your feet, especially if you do floor work in high heels. It really hurts me when I see people flexing their feet. I don't know, if you're a beginner, don't worry about it, don't take it too hard, but by the time, when you progress, then those are the things that you really need to pay attention to. Because if we do floor work, and for example, in the end, when we push back, what happens a lot is this, then that doesn't look good. Or, second mistake, not straightening the legs enough. And yes, that comes down to flexibility. Please work especially on your active flexibility, because you need to be flexible in your active flexibility, if that makes sense. For example, straightening the leg like this. It might seem easy to do this, but it's not. Lots of times I see this or this even. It is hard, but you can do it. Really engage your quads and push the leg until it's straight. And if you can't straighten your leg, then please work on it. It's just gonna improve your lines and the overall look when you dance. So when you know this choreography by heart, then I want you to work on your active flexibility, that you can always straighten your legs and also that you always point your feet. Let me dance the whole choreography with all the mistakes that I just mentioned, and then you will see how awkward it looks. Of course, it was exaggerated, but if you are a person that flexes the foot sometimes or that can't straighten their legs, please don't take it too hard, but then work on it. Film yourself, just have a look, analyze your videos, and if you see, well, I could straighten my legs a bit more, or I could work on my pointed toes, then just work on it. It's just gonna get better. And it will look also so much better if you work on it. But now, let's do the choreography 2 more times, a little bit faster, so we get into the flow. Okay, let's do this. Leg to the side, come around, turn around, legs straight to the ceiling, hip down to the ground, bring the leg around, slide them through, over to the right side, open the legs, turn around onto your belly, bend the leg and push back. Here we are. Okay, we do it again, but now this time I won't talk. And let's go. Now I changed up my legs, but that's okay, that's freestyle. One last time, and we do it a little bit quicker. 5, 6, 7, 8. And here we are. I hope this video was helpful for you and that you could follow me along. Please, as I said, let me know. Give me feedback in the comments down below if it was too quick, too easy, too hard, too fast. Just, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for dancing with me today, and I hopefully see you in the next video.